English name weaver, Marathi name sugaran. We observe a variety of birds in nature. Amongst them, weaver is a famous for the beautiful nets it weaves. We can see weaver's nest all over the jungles. Weaver belong to the sparrow family. It looks like a sparrow, only slightly larger. It has two eyes, two legs, and two wings. Its beak is like that of a sparrow, but little thicker. The wings are grey and the abdominal portion is yellowish white. The color of a female's wings changes during the breeding season. Grass seeds, tender grains from the ears of wheat and millet are the most favorite foods for these birds. Weaver birds get their name because of the elaborated woven nest. They use threads, cotton fiber, tree leaves, twigs to make their nest. There is an entrance hole at the bottom of the nest. The nest is shaped like an inverted flask. One can see this nest hanging on the tree along the border of field near the water wells and the moorlands. These birds are found in a large number near water bodies. These places are ideally situated for the viewpoint of safety and availability of food and water. If they like a particular place, they build their nest in the same place in the next season. These birds is famous as a skilled artisan in the nest building. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.